Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good wherever you're watching from. Thank you for always sticking by my channel. God bless you. Today, I want to quickly take you on how I made this sweet curry sauce, okay? And you know the drill, but this is a bit different because it's not a chicken curry, rather it is liver curry. Yeah, so in the hot pan, I added little oil and then went in with ginger and garlic and then added the chopped onion and tomatoes. Now, most people don't add fresh tomatoes in their curry sauce, so it's very quite optional. So I added the curry and then introduced the chopped or diced liver with just one chunk of fried fish, and I added the carrot, so I'm just stirring it. So now note that I'm making this for an elderly person. My uncle is a priest, is elderly, so we are very careful with what we give to him now. So he eats especially, okay? And that's why you see everything in little quantity. The oil was very little, and then the seasoning cube is just one cube of no Maggi, right? And then little salt. And so I added Irish potatoes and the red bell peppers, okay? And I'm just stirring it. So it is time to add some water mixed with corn flour just to give it some, moisture and some fluid and also make it thick, right? Have you liked this video already? If no, please click the thumbs up icon to like the video. Click the share icon to share my video. Thank you so much. You can also drop me a comment on the comment section what you feel about this. Yeah, by the way, it tasted so goodness and delicious. Yeah, it was so good and delicious. Yeah. Okay, so we are done. Now I'm making a side vegetable for him. No matter what we give him, there must be enough vegetables. So remember, the curry sauce is made up of vegetables already, but this is just, to a kind of garnishing. Yeah, it's gonna go side by side with the white rice. Okay, so in there is just onion and scotch bonnet pepper with green. That is what you call spinach. Okay, and this is the white rice already dished with the side with the vegetable as a side and also as a garnish, and just dishing the stew. Guys, this stew tasted so good, you can try it. All right, please kindly share this video, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment. Till I see you in my next one, stay safe and bye bye. I love you all.